Now today we are continue with the components of the computer, third component, that is output devices. Now what is output device? This is a hardware which is used to display your result, whatever the commands you have provided to the system. This is used to display the output of your processing. Whatever the instructions you will give, it will display the result of that particular instruction. These devices are your output devices. See the definition: hardware devices that receives data from a computer. This device receives data from the computer, usually for display. It will display the data, or projection. Through projector it will project your data, or physical reproduction. It will help us to transfer the data. It is used to send data from a computer to another device or user. With the help of output devices, we can transfer the data to other PC or to a user in hard format. Now just see the examples of output devices. Few common examples are there. First one is monitor. All of you are aware with the name monitor. It is one of the important output device which is used to display the output in picture format. It will display your output in pictorial format or picture format. It looks like a TV. It is just like a TV. Like in old days or nowadays we are using TV. So monitor is also looks like your TV. Just see, earlier we are using this type of monitor. This one, first figure. Just see the first figure. That is VDU. Visual Display Unit. It contains the transistor. Just see, picture tube is there, which is used to display the output. But these VDUs consume lots of electricity, required more electricity. That's why we shifted from Visual Display Unit to TFT. But one advantage of video is there. Its life is more, they are more reliable than others. But problem is it consumes or it requires more power, more electricity. That's why we shifted from video to TFT, that is thin film transistors. They are thin in size. They requires less electricity. But problem with TFT is you cannot see the pictures diagonally. That was the main problem with TFT. If you are sitting in straight, then you can see the clear view. If you are sitting diagonally, then the view is not clear. That's why we shifted from TFT to LCD, or sometimes it is called LED, liquid crystal display. Nowadays we are using LCD. So LCD just overcomes all the disadvantage of TFT as well as VDU. See, VDU consumes more power, so LCD consumes less power. TFT, we cannot see the clear image diagonally, but in LCD, if we sit diagonally also, then the image is clear. So that's why nowadays we are using LCD as a monitor. Second output device is speaker. Now this output device is used to generate a sound. If you want to listen or want to generate a sound, then we will use speaker to produce the output in the form of sound. Analog format, we need speakers. And its main purpose is to produce the audio device that can listen by the user. Like if you want to listen a song with the help of monitor or with the help of computer, then you need a device named speaker. Just see the figure. Then third one is printer. If you want a hard copy of any particular file or document, then you need the device named printer. It is used to convert your soft copy into hard copy. And printers are of also different types. It may be vary in size. Size wise also the printers are different. Even the speed wise also the printers are different, even the cost wise also. See, in so many offices you see the printers, like in railway when you book your ticket, the printer is moving and taking time in printing the tickets. In mall you are seeing the small printer, or in the bus conductor is carrying one small printer, that is thermal printer, which is printing very fastly. So just see, size is also different, speed is also different, and even the cost is also different. When you go for a IT company, they have the color printer, so the cost is different. But when you go for a small shop, it may contain a black and white printer whose cost is different. So cost wise also the printer varies. Next example is plotter. Plotter looks like a printer, but one disadvantage of printer is it will not print large scale drawings or large scale documents like banners, flex, posters. You cannot print with the help of printers. In that case, we will use plotter. So plotter is generally used to print large documents like flex, your posters, your banners. If you want to print such type of outputs, then we can use the device name plotter. So these are the few common output devices. Thank you.